Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you what all I carry in this huge backpack to my office every day. Now, I think this video is going to be very long as I have a lot of stuff inside this bag. So make sure you have something to sip on or to eat some snacks while watching this video. Even I also have my green tea and I'm sipping it while I'm recording this video. Now before I start showing you what all I carry inside my bag, I have a disclaimer right here. I'm not the most organized person that you'll ever find. So my bag is also not as organized as you might want it to. But I know what is where and I have an idea of how things are. So let's get started. So this bag is from a brand called as American Tourister and I bought it from Big Bazaar. It's this huge maroon color laptop backpack and you can carry a lot of stuff in here. First of all, I want to show you what all I carry inside this zipper. So let's open it. First thing which comes to my hand are these earphones and these are from Samsung, which I stole from my dad. Next I have a cell phone. This one is my older cell phone and it's the Micromax Canvas Nitro. I don't use it anymore but I have it in my bag for like emergency purpose, and I'm currently using this one. It is the iPhone SE and I really like it. It's a very small phone which fits into my hand. So the next thing that is there in here is this, because you know, emergency purpose and we never know when Mother Nature comes. Finally, I have these two pens. So that's all what I have in this zipper. And next we are going to see what all I have in this upper zipper. So let's open it. First thing which comes out is this Pond's Silk Cream and I use it as a hand cream. It's very moisturizing and it keeps my hands really soft. I have these two cards. One is my office ID card and the other one is my bus pass. Finally, I have a pen drive right here and this is from SanDisk. It is a 16 GB pen drive. Now let's see what is in the small pouch, and I think this is going to be really messy. So the first thing which comes is this pain balm and it's the Amritanjan Maha Strong Pain Balm. Okay, I keep getting migraines on and off, so I need to carry this with me. Next I have this tiny face wash and it's from Ayurma. I think I got this once in one of my subscription bags, so I have this. Next I have a lipstick. It's the Streetwear Color Rich lipstick and it's in the shade 3 Riveting, I don't know. So it is in the shade 3 Riveting Rouge. And this was actually a gift from one of my friends, Bhavna. So Bhavna, if you're watching this, then hi. Next thing which comes out are these Big Bazaar coupons. So it seems like I'm a frequent shopper from Big Bazaar, and yeah, I am. I usually buy all my groceries and stuff from there. Then I have a hand sanitizer. Oh my god, this small zip carries a lot of things. So it's a hand sanitizer from Himalaya. Then again I have two pens over here. Oh my god, I have a lot of pens. Then I have this Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Cocoa Butter and Vanilla Body Cream. I don't really like this but I have it with me and I sometimes use it as a hand cream again. Next I have a visiting card. Okay, and I have a receipt. Which receipt is this? Okay, so it seems like it's a DD which I made while registering for my exams. Now let's open the first main compartment. So the first thing which comes out is my laptop. It's the MacBook Air laptop and I really love this one. I edit all my videos in this and it's so lightweight, it's super fast, and I obviously do a lot of official work in my office, so I have to carry it. The next thing which comes out is this diary and it's a diary from LIC. I think I got this from my dad. So I write a lot of office related stuff, my notes in this diary, and then I have a huge mess going on. So first is this paper where I wrote a lot of things. I think I made a schedule on this paper. Next I have these two stuff. I don't know why I'm keeping these. These came with my bag. Okay, so this is my warranty card and yeah, I need to have it with me. Next, let's open the second main compartment. And again, I have a lot of stuff in here. And I must be having a lot of food items here. I actually carry two bags to my office. One is this one and the other one is a separate bag where I carry a lot of food items, and I also have some food in this bag because sometimes I do tend to forget to carry the other bag. Okay, I know I'm a big foodie and I keep feeling hungry all the time. I need to have food all the time and I don't like to eat outside. I'm following some kind of a healthy lifestyle. My Insta team Subhra, you know it, and those of you who are not following me on Insta, do follow me. I keep sharing all that I eat throughout the day on my story, and if you're also into some healthy lifestyle, then we can be health buddies. Okay, so the first thing which comes out is this pair of sunglasses. These are from a brand called as Vincent Chase, and this is how it looks. So these are my sunglasses and I need to carry them because it's summers and there is this hot sun and I don't like the way the sun hits my eyes. Next I have this box and it contains almonds. Next thing which comes out is my wallet. I bought it from Reliance Footprints. I don't want to open it because there are some personal stuffs inside. Next again I have some food. So this is a mixture of flax seeds and sesame seeds. So when the stuffs which were inside got over, I refilled this and I carry with me to have it throughout the day or whenever I feel hungry and I want to munch on something. Next I have my spectacles. Yes, I am blind and I need to wear spectacles. I don't usually wear these while I'm filming, but rest of the time I wear this and that's how it looks. My chashma power is very less actually. It's like touch wood. It's about 0.5 or something, so I can very well see without glasses. But if I don't wear these for a very long time, then I get a migraine, so I have to wear it. Okay, so this zipper contains a lot of stuff. And the next thing is an umbrella. I don't think this is from any particular brand. It was something which I just bought from the local market. And I need to carry an umbrella because sun, rain, the weather here is very unpredictable. Next thing which comes out is Odomos because there are a lot of mosquitoes around and somehow these mosquitoes tend to love my blood a lot more than others. I know it sounds weird, but I have seen these mosquitoes don't bite any of my friends, but they keep biting me. So I need to carry this with me. I'm so sorry if there is a change in the lighting again and again because the sun is going behind the clouds and coming back. So I'm so sorry, can't help it. The next thing is a pepper spray. Girls, always carry a pepper spray with you. It is very important. Next thing which comes out is pudin hara. I know there are a lot of weird stuffs inside my bag, but I actually don't like eating outside food, and whenever I have outside food I feel like I'm going to fall sick and stuff, so I tend to carry these with me. And then again I get some receipts which are all patila. So the last thing which comes out of my backpack is a pouch, and this is from a brand called as Daily Objects. It was actually a gift from one of my friends again. Priyamvada, if you're watching this video, then hi. This is actually a bag where I carry some of my makeup. So I'll show you what all I carry inside this pouch. So first I have this comb and it is from a brand called as Kia Seeth. So I think I got this free with some hair oil from the brand. I'm not really sure. So it's a wooden comb. Next I have these tissues and these are from Health and Glow. Next I have a compact powder and this is the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact. Then I have a brush and this is the blush brush from Vega. I actually use this to apply my compact powder because it's a small brush and it is very easy to carry. Then I have this roll-on. It's actually a pain roll-on. Okay, so this is called as Divya Dhara and I think it was some Ayurvedic brand. It is from Divya Pharmacy. I bought it from an Ayurvedic shop. Next I have another face wash. This is a sachet and it is from a brand called as Acne's. It is the purifying face wash. I think I got it in my fab bag. Then I have a lipstick again and it is the LA18 Colourpops matte lipstick. So it's a pink shade. It is in the shade First Love. I have another lipstick and it is again one of the LA18 Colourpops matte lipstick. This one is in the shade Pink Kiss. So it's again a pink shade, but it's more of a nude sort of a pink shade. The other one was a very bright pink shade and this is like a muted nude pink shade. Next I have a cotton ball and a cotton pad. Then I have this hair tie because as you can see I have very long hair and I sometimes keep my hair open, but then I feel very hot and I need to tie my hair. Finally I have a kajal in here, and this is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. So that's all what is there in my backpack. My whole bed is so messed up right now. I need to clean it and keep all the things back in my bag. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do let me know what are the essentials that you need to carry inside your bag by writing in the comments down below. Do hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel. It is going to motivate me to make more such videos for you all. And also click on the bell button next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And also follow my blog and social media for more fun updates. And I shall see you next time. Until then, bye. Now before I tell... Kaun hala? Nahi.